Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change your password in Netflix. So let's say that I'm going to manage profiles and you have many profiles here, and let's say that you want to change the password on one of your profiles. So what we're going to do is to just click on your profile, go right upper corner to account, and then you will have right here, where is it, change password. Click on it, and then you will write here current password, your new password, and confirm new password, and then all you want to do is click save. So this is how you can change the password on Netflix, and that's kind of it. If you have any questions about Netflix or how to use it, I created a playlist for you so you can watch it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know how it goes. You can support and subscribe. And yep, by the way, this movie 6 Underground is kind of good, but it's boring. But if you got nothing to do, go watch it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.